Okay, hello everyone. Sid the IT guy here. Welcome to another live stream. And in this live stream, I will try to set up some sort of automations into the application. And I'll be using Laravel task scheduler to do this. And on the Express.js side, I will do the node cron package. So search for npm install node cron. So basically what this package is it allows us to write classes, basically functions. And in the server.js, we can use a line like this, where we can say cron schedule, the pattern for the cron, and inside that a function. So we can initialize the class that we are looking for, and we can invoke functions on it, and it will keep doing that on the Express.js side. So yeah, let's run this. So we will copy paste npm run npm install save node cron. Oh, hey, extended clips. I don't know your real name, so I'm going with that. How you doing? And good morning to you too. So we will restart node server.js, so that will load up the cron package. So now in the example, we can see Subtika. What does that mean? Oh, are you Indian? Okay, so yeah, I'm kind of confused by your language, not gonna lie. You said Subtika, and now you're saying Shukriya. Shukriya is a Hindi word, I mean Urdu word, obviously. So I'm assuming that you're Indian. Oh, come on, now you're just playing. I know you're someone from Devrat, isn't it? You're playing around. Um, so yeah. So to reach to so for the code management part, I will create a folder here called crons, and inside that I will initialize classes. Oh, I know. I think you're Ostream. I think you're Ostream. I can see some pattern. Okay, anyway. So we will say sample cron.js, and inside that I will initialize a simple class. Mm, JS. Okay, let's say store validity function. So instead of sample cron, we will say this is check store validity.js. I know you're playing. I know you're playing around. You're trying to deceive me for whatever reason. I don't know what. Okay. Um, Initialize a class and export in module.exports. Be truthful. Who are you? Don't lie. Hmm. check store validity. Constructor would be a store variable. So we will say a function called async work. Yeah. Oh, actually, it won't have a constructor actually. So async work would be console log starting the cron. And then what it will do is take all stores from the database. Call Shopify's shop JSON to validate authenticity. Yeah, maybe we can also do a middleware where this will set Redis keys saying that this store is no longer valid. Yeah, we can do that. Why don't you say the truth? Extended clips. Yeah, I mean, here's my email. You can reach out to me. sid.ames93@gmail.com. Yeah. So you can reach out to me via email. You can also find the Discord link. So if you use Discord, it's way better than writing emails. And yeah, I put my contact information everywhere. So any video you can open up, and in the description box, it has the Patreon link, the Discord link, everything. Yeah. So why not do it in this style itself? So in functions, it has a module.exports, and let's say that this is the function. So why am I writing a class? Yeah. So module.exports, and like that it will receive. Yeah. So instead of SQLize and data types and MongoDB client, it will accept MySQL API and Redis and traits. Yeah. So it will do that. Constant function trait equals traits dot function trait. Constant request trait equals traits dot request trait. Yeah. Can you give me an idea of what your Shopify store is about? Like, can you give me the domain for the store? Let me see. Okay, thank you. Your behavior is sus, bro. I'm not going to lie. Makes me think you're playing around. I hope you're not. Anyway, I guess when I'll hear from you, I'll know. Console.log error message. Um, console.log. Where stores equals. Is there a function? No? Okay, anyway. So this would be function trade dot get Shopify API URL for store. Yeah, yeah, it's not async. After that, I can actually I can do this. Await this dot check validity for store, and then down here I can say is async function check validity for store. Yeah, shop JSON and store where headers would be function trade dot get Shopify store, then where result would be request rate dot make an API call to Shopify, and it would be a get request endpoint headers. Then it would be return result dot status code exactly equal to 200, right? Okay, status true and result dot resp body and result dot resp body dot id store. Actually it would be shop dot id. Yep. Yeah, so this can be done. So now we can console log here that we are checking the validity of store.my Shopify domain. Yeah. What are you guys up to? How's your weekends going? Is anybody doing anything interesting? And also, I'm looking for project ideas. It's amazing how I quit everything to become a YouTuber. Now that I am a YouTuber, I don't have ideas to build anymore. So, is it a new technology? Is it something that you want me to explore? Let me know. I'll do it. Um, where store validity key equals um store validation result store.id. Yeah. So store validity key, actually not store validity key, I should say Redis key. No, Redis key result ex. Maybe I'll keep it for 5 minutes. 5 times 60. Yeah. Inject store validity function. Right. Okay, this seems good. So in server.js, I will simply, where should I put it? Yeah, I'll put just here. Let's see. Cron handler dot schedule. So this is running a task every 2 minutes, isn't it? I will make it 1 minute. I don't want to wait around that long. Every minute. So this would be where store validity handler equals require. This will receive MySQL API Redis and trades. And now that it is receiving this much, then I think this needs to be down there. Yeah, like right here. Schedule and handle crons. So this is what it would be. Await store validity handler. Should be good. So we can try restarting it. Yep, and let's wait around for a minute just to see what happens. Anybody watching, feel free to jump in. I'm literally waiting around for a minute to see if the cron will kick in. Actually, wouldn't it say something like this? Anyway, it's 12:22 a.m. I'm waiting for 12:23 a.m. just to see if the cron will kick in. 12:23 has happened and I'm still waiting. If 12:24 kicks in, I know something has gone wrong. Okay, something has gone wrong. Mm, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hmm. Hmm? Actually, let's send MySQL API and this and this and this. Trades. Yeah. Then wherever MySQL API is used, then that will say this dot MySQL API. await this dot redis dot set. Yeah, close this out, delete this out. I just hope it works, basically. Yeah. So this would be, now it should work, right? Oh. How does this know? Store validity handler is not defined. Can't believe I have to search initialize class object require JS. Now it should work, at least. Oh, here we go. So it says result for store undefined. Why is it undefined, man? Await. So it says, oh, okay, I had to do await. Okay. Anyway, so why is it saying result is a store ID? Ugh. Anyway, so let's change the frequency a little. We will make it every hour. So seconds, minutes, and hours. Yeah, so it will be every hour. Cool. So then this is how we can set yeah. Whoa, what happened? Not shut up. Okay, so this is how we can set up the node cron package in Node.js. Anyway, it does feel a little lonely though. So let's jump to the UI and let's see what we can do here. So we don't have a sync orders button here. Anyway, Same thing, we don't have a sync products button here. And then the same thing, we don't have a sync product collections button here. So I guess I will add that. Inventories, we don't have it yet. Hmm. So what should I build? Account settings, need help. Sign out. Anyway, um, remove this console log. Then in check store validity. Yeah. So let me push this much. And if anybody is looking for code access, feel free to reach out to me. Node.js crons handler added. Yeah. Yeah. So good. Can we have the full breakdown of get product damaged and in hand count Shopify API? I need might have to check this. Inventory item. There we go. So inventory level is basically what we need to call in order to get inventory level. So then it says inventory item ID. Hmm. Yeah, I only work in Shopify, man. Like now you can see that I'm reading documentation on Shopify. I need to understand how different states of the products returns their inventories. But yeah, to answer your question, yes. Actually, let me turn off the fan, man. I'm just feeling cold. Much better. Um, Last I remember, I was working with. Yeah, yeah, no problem, man. Do you want to ask something? Like, are you looking for a collaboration or something like that? Sorry, it's like 1 a.m. at my place, and I'm just doing this live stream before going to sleep. Here, take my email. You can reach out to me on this email and ask whatever questions you have. Your second side project. What is your first side project? I mean, what are you trying to, create? Oh, okay. You're a front end guy. Yeah, you can see I'm not very good with front end, man. I'm more towards the back end. I like building scalable systems. There is an inventory adjust quantities mutation in GraphQL that we can use. Um, Reason correction name is available. A free from URI that represents why the inventory change happened. This can be entity Shopify resource that's associated with the inventory adjustment. For example, a unit in the draft order might have previously been reserved, and a merchant creates an order for the draft order. In this case, the reference document URI for the inventory adjustments is the order ID. Wow. Inventory item this. Location ID is this. Indicates a decrease in delta is 2. Inventory adjustment group is created reason app ID. This. So we send this, and this is incremented by 2. Have been processed. More inventory quantities between states. I think this is a video idea actually. I can show off these GraphQL mutations. There is so much here. Fulfillment apps, order management app, routing apps, that's fine. Returns apps. Hmm. There is so much here. I guess everybody's sleeping on Saturday night. Um, but I do need the sync buttons on each of the pages. So Hmm. My live stream is the most silent live stream ever, whether you want to admit or not. There's literally no noise around me except this right here. No one is watching. Like, I literally am having this small thing of a beard and it's scratching so much already. Like there is not even anything on my beard, and yet this is what I get. Okay, inventory space don't even exist. Um, anyway, um, so Shopify product collection sync. I have to put it in product collections dot index. Buttons added for sync on all pages. Nice. So now we have the sync buttons up. Yeah. Okay. So this is where I am. Somebody just joined. Hello, visitor. I hope you're having a good time. Um, yeah. Okay. So this is where I am wrapping up this live stream. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you in the next video where I will be discussing about the product inventories in Shopify. Thank you for joining and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.